Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or uninstall games on your Xbox One. Now, if you come across the game on the home screen here, we can press options on it by going to the button with the three lines on it. And then we should have the option to manage game and add-ons right here. Then we can go to the game and we can simply uninstall it. So we have the option to uninstall over here on the left. So here's Rocket League. So we just simply have to do it that way. Now, to find more games to uninstall, we can go to the guide button right here and go to My Games and Apps, and then go to See All on the top. Now we can go to Apps or Games right here, and we can simply do the same thing. So let's go to Fall Guys right here, and then uninstall it. So under this screen, we have the quick option to uninstall. So I'm just going to uninstall everything for this. Now, if we want to delete all the games on our Xbox One at the same time, we can go up to the top and go to Settings right here. Then going down to where it says System, we go to the right and go to Storage Devices. Then we can go to Clear Local Saved Games right here. Select this. This says Delete Local Saved Games. This will delete all the saved games on this Xbox One. It won't remove saved games in the cloud, and they will be synced the next time you play the game. Your Xbox One will restart, so this will delete all the games on your Xbox One at the same time. So if you have like 50, 60 games, you can delete it that way, so you don't have to go through the list and delete them one by one. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.